1991 Cadillac Brougham. Light antelope is the color. Car shows well. Spent the majority of its life in the great state of Virginia, which is a much less hostile environment than we have here in Minnesota, and it shows. This car is beautiful. One minor flaw you'll notice above the passenger headlight right there on the chrome, a little bit of wear that shows there, but as far as the exterior of the car, you'd have to get on top of it. And spoked rims. These are not covers, by the way. Those are legit. Tires dated 2024. Great tread. Car shows well. Again, if you have any questions about this car after the video, feel free to give our sales associates a call at 507-386-1726. And make sure to visit us online at uniqueclassiccars.com, where you will find this car and a host of others. And you can see, I talk about how well this car shows, even the filler panels, no fade. This car, incredibly well maintained. Chrome looks great. Get you around the driver's side here. Really, really nice car. Again, any questions? Give us a call, 507-386-1726, and make sure you stick around after this video. We'll fire the car up here in just a second, but Jason will then take it for a drive, and he'll let you know how it gets out on the road. And I can tell you right now that he's going to enjoy that. This is an incredible car. Let's get inside and fire it up here. Give you a quick peek at the interior as well. One thing that really stood out to me is with all the bells and whistles that these Cadillacs have, everything in here works. And the interior looks fantastic. Again, matching the light antelope of the exterior, you've got the same color on the inside. Let's get in here and give this boy a spin. Fires right up. Again, radio works great. The seek, the scan, antenna, lift, everything. I mean, all the lights, it's just incredible how well this car has been maintained. See if we can get a look under the hood. And there you have it. That is a 5-liter 305. And by the way, the AC in this car has been converted to 134 as well. Really, really nice idle. Gets out and runs great. And like I said, stick around after the video. Jason's going to take it out for a ride, and he's going to bring you along. Any questions at all, just feel free to give our sales associates a call. Again, 507-386-1726. Or visit us online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Also, let's take a quick peek at the trunk here. With the release in the glove box.
Only $59.99. Lose all the weight you want.
Look at that. Really, really clean. It is noted this car is missing the spare and the jack. But man, that looks just phenomenal. Really, really nice. And remember, you got that soft touch in the back. You just get her down. and the car takes care of the rest. Again, any questions? 507-386-1726. Visit us online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Or I always tell people, better yet, fly into Minneapolis-St. Paul Airport. We're about an hour and 20 minutes southwest. And just plan on spending the day down here, man. You'll see this and a host of other cars on a regular basis. All right, we'll get her closed up. And again, stick around. Jason's going to take it for a spin. Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 1991 Cadillac Brougham. A big, comfortable four-door Cadillac with all the bells and whistles. We've got a digital dash. Wait for a little bit of traffic today. A very quiet running, smooth running Cadillac, as a lot of them are, and as you'd expect them to be. Our fuel gauge shows a little bit less than half of a tank on the digital gauge. This car has less than 45,000 miles on it on the odometer. Digital speedometer appears to be accurate. The radio works good.
We don't do business.
The HVAC system is blowing a little bit of heat today. That with automatic settings. 1991. Good features to have. Fully adjustable power seat. Leather split bench seat. Very comfortable. Horn is working. Got the prominent hood ornament out in front. Letting you know it's a Cadillac. Cruise control also works. Very clean interior. Definitely believe those miles. It appears to be well maintained and taken care of. Braking nice and smooth. No pull to either side. No pulsation there. Again, really quiet. Excellent power steering. Corners well for a large car. Very comfortable cruiser. Check out all the pictures of this 1991 Cadillac at uniqueclassiccars.com.